unique. Think what remarkable, unduplicatable, and miraculous thing it is to be you. Of all the people who have come and gone on the earth since the beginning of time, no one is like you. No one who has ever lived or is to come has had your combination, ability, talent, appearance, friend, acquaintance, burden, show, and opportunity. No one here grow exactly the way you does. No one has fingerprint unlike you. No one has the same expression that you know. The few people who laugh at all the same thing you do. No one pray about exactly the same concern as you do. No one is loved by the same combination of people that love you. No one. No one before, no one to come. You're absolutely unique. Enjoy that uniqueness. You don't have to pretend in order to seem more like someone else. You weren't meant to be like someone else. Don't have to conceal the part of you that you are not like what you see in anyone else. You were meant to be different. Now wherever in all of history will the same thing be going in anyone's mind, soul and spirit as are going on in your mind. If you did not exist, there would be a hole in creation, a gap in history, something missing from the plan for humankind. Treasure your uniqueness. It is a gift given only you to. Enjoy it and share it. No one can reach out the other in the same way that you can. No one can speak your word. No one can convey your meaning. No one can comfort with your kind of comfort. No one can bring your kind of understanding to another person. No one can be cheerful. No one can smile your smile. No one can else be bring whole the unique impact of your another human being. Share your uniqueness. Let it be free to flow out among your family and friend and people you meet in the reach of the clutter of living where you are. The gift of yourself was given you to enjoy and share. Give yourself away. There will be always be people in your life who treat you wrong. Be sure you thank them for making you strong.